Our candidates for Mrs. Face of Tourism 2024, representing Biliran Province, Mrs. Maria Ineca Azur. Representing Cagayan Province, Mrs. Julian Beltran. Representing Cavite Province, Mrs. Ana Teresa Larena. Representing Cebu, Mrs. Lynn Campos. Representing Quezon City, Mrs. Lourdes Jean Gonzalez Galvez. And representing Quezon Province, Mrs. Hannah Mirza Pastrana.
Forward. Kulang pa. Kulang pa na isa. Wait, kulang pa na isang candidate. Wala yung Makati. Ma'am, wala yung Makati, ma'am. Okay, wala daw si Makati. Okay.
Alright, how about another big hand for our candidates of Mrs. Face of Tourism 2024? Alright, let me remind everybody, our darling of the press, and our darling of the press will receive sash, plaque, and bouquet of flowers. Ladies and gentlemen, our darling of the press is you! Cagayan Province, Mrs. Julian Beltran. Congratulations! Again, congratulations, Miss Cagayan Province. And ladies and gentlemen, we look forward to seeing you all at the upcoming events leading up to our grand coronation happening here at Hotel Lucky Chinatown on September 28, 2024. And until then, let us continue to support and uplift one another as we strive to make a positive impact on our world. Once again, our initial candidates for Mrs. Face of Tourism 2024.